Hello everyone, what's up? Want a free Discord avatar decoration without spending a dime? I've got you covered with this quick guide. Let's jump in. First, open Discord on your desktop or mobile app, head to the user settings by clicking the gear icon next to your name at the bottom left. Scroll down to gift inventory or Nitro, sometimes there's a quest waiting. Look for something like play a game for 15 minutes or a Nitro promo. For example, right now, there's a Fortnite quest. Click to accept the quest. I'll tell you what to do, like playing Fortnite Reload for 15 minutes. Super easy. Launch the game, play for the required time, make sure Discord's running so it tracks you, takes just 15 minutes. Head back to the gift inventory and once it's done, you'll see your free decoration ready to claim. Hit claim and it's yours. Now go to user settings, then profiles, and under change decoration, pick your new freebie. Save it and boom, your profile is looking fresh. These quests pop up randomly, so check gift inventory often or follow Discord on X for updates. Some decorations need an active Nitro sub to use, but you keep them forever once it's claimed. That's it guys, 2 minutes, that's it guys. You now have your free Discord decoration. If you like this, drop a like, subscribe for more tips, and let me know your favorite decoration in the comments. Catch you next time.